Tell me about the Crackles, Joey.
Crackles? Oh,
What do the Crackles do?
They swim like this.
What about the Crinkles?
Crackles? Oh, they have arms. They can swim like this. Like that.
And what else? What other kind of animals do you know swim in the water?
Some animals don't swim in the water. They can swim in this water.
What about the, oh, here comes a boat, Joey. There's a boat over there.
Yeah. It looks like the same as our boat.
And there's the view from the front.
Yeah, Mama.
What?
There's some animals that can swim in the other water that's lakes.
Some animals swim in lakes?
Yeah.
Like what animals?
The one that has arms, they can do this. And they can swim in that